Artificial intelligence. It's not the first time that you are hearing this word. Most AI examples that you hear about today, like chess playing computers, auto driving cars, etc. etc. But now artificial intelligence has made so much progress in that it can code for you. GitHub and OpenAI publicly unveiled an artificial tool that can code for you. Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Harish's Code Life, and today we are talk about the very recent service that GitHub and OpenAI provided, which is GitHub Copilot. What GitHub Copilot is? So in a simple term, if you ask me in a single sentence, if I had to define it, I would say it is a machine learning based programming assistant. So now how it works for you. So first of all, it will be given to you as an extension to VS Code. Now VS Code is an IDE where you write your code. You have to install this extension in the VS Code. Then as you write your code, it will suggest you line completion automatically, and in the way of suggestion it may help you to complete your repetitive code and comments. It can be a whole function definition, the entire function implementation. So by just clicking on an accept button, you can add that suggested code in your code. The context you provide can be a comment, a doc string, or maybe a function, or the code itself. So whatever context you provided, GitHub Copilot used that context and synthesized the code to fetch some good suggestions for you. Once you're happy with the suggestion, which is closely to your requirements, that can resolve your problem, you can use that suggested code and manipulate it if needed. Now what is behind it? Like how GitHub Copilot knowing our intent, like how GitHub Copilot knows that what we are gonna type next. So there is an OpenAI's model named GPT-3, which is trained on billions of lines of public code and text available on the internet. That's why it has already know about that code and about that comment. And by using machine learning algorithms, it reads that code and comments, then it analyzes it, that what you are gonna type next and what you are trying to do. So basically, as per the previous code that GitHub Copilot already seen, it shows you the suggestions. Now what about its availability? So GitHub Copilot is not available to all yet. Let me tell you that it is in technical preview yet. The technical preview especially does well for Python, JavaScript, TypeScript, Ruby and Go programming languages. But it knows dozens of languages and help you to find your way around almost anything. Once technical preview gets some feedback, they are gonna launch it commercially. But preview version is available for all, but for that you need to sign up on GitHub Copilot's website, and after that you will be added in the wait list. And then once your name will be appear in the list, then and your request get approved, then you can use this tool. I also don't have early access of it, but not to worry, we can check it out on the official website of GitHub Copilot. Now this is the official website of GitHub Copilot. They made it very beautifully, isn't it? Now you can see they have also provided some demos here, that how we write the comment and functions, and then it will automatically provide you the whole implementation of implementation of the function. So this type of service you will get in GitHub Copilot. For example, you can see we write a comment and function name and whole body of the function automatically suggested by GitHub Copilot. Not even this, but if you don't like a suggestion, you can just click on the next button and you can check the next suggestion, and you can test another suggestion too, and as per the requirement you can have that suggestion and manipulate it if needed. Now the code that GitHub Copilot is providing, that always be accurate? The answer is obviously not. That's why they are providing multiple suggestions. That's why they are providing alternative suggestions to us. So basically, where something has some advantages, it always has some disadvantages as well. So because you don't write much code when you're using this tool, but you end up spending as much or even more time to understand, review and review, testing, debugging the someone else's code. So you need to be more focused when you accepting the suggestion provided by GitHub Copilot, because GitHub Copilot can also suggest to use obsolete version of libraries, syntactically incorrect or undefined code. Now, is it paid or free? As I told you, it is in technical preview yet, and once they provide some feedback on it, they are gonna launch it commercially. It means that they can charge us to use this tool. Can we use this tool in another IDE than VS Code? Not yet, because they are focusing to delivering best experience VS Code only. Guys, this is certainly not the first AI powered program synthesis tool. GitHub's natural language semantic code search in 2018 demonstrated finding code example using plain English descriptions. Tab9 has provided AI powered code completion for a few years now, where Copilot differs is that it can generate entire multi-line functions and even documentation and tests based on the full context of a file of code. GitHub Copilot works with a broad set of framework and languages. Now let's talk about the question that troubled all the developers. The question is it gonna affect on programming jobs? So as per my opinion, you will be the always pilot for your code. GitHub Copilot is just a artificial intelligence tool that helping you while you code. But you know, programming is not just inject your code in a file. We must understand that code, we must test that code, we must review that code, and what that code is doing we need to understand. And one more thing that I would like to say, for now, whenever you stuck, whenever you need to search anything, you Google it or you use some Stack Overflow, such type of websites. You copy that code from this type of websites and then you paste it in your file, in your code. Now GitHub Copilot is doing almost the same thing. You don't need to search it on the Google. Now it will automatically providing you all these things as a suggestion. So finally, I will say you should not be worried about just losing your jobs. It's pretty magical. It's very helpful tool. So guys, that's all in this video. If you have any doubt, you can comment in the comment section of this video. Thanks for watching this video, and let's catch up in the next video. Till then, Goodbye and take care.